In this problem, we are asked to investigate this statement: for any rational number x, the square root of x is always less than or equal to x. We want to know which of the following demonstrates that the above statement is not always true. That is, we're asked to find a counterexample to the statement that the square root of x is less than or equal to x. One way we can do this is check each value of x to determine which one would produce a false statement. For example, if x is equal to 49, we are asking ourselves, does the square root of 49, is that less than or equal to 49? We will see that this is a true statement because the square root of 49 is 7, or 7 times 7 is equal to 49, is indeed less than or equal to 49. If we try x is equal to 2.5, we want to know, is the square root of 2.5 less than or equal to 2.5, or 2.5? We will see that the square root of 2.5, we are trying to find two numbers that multiply together to equal 2.5. This is roughly about 1.6. So approximately 1.6 is indeed less than or equal to 2.5. Therefore, x equal to 2.5 does not verify that or demonstrate that our statement is not always true. We can try x equal to 0. The square root of 0 is equal to 0, and we will see that 0 is indeed less than or equal to 0. Likewise, the square root of 1 is 1, and 1 is indeed less than or equal to 1. This leaves our last example, the square root of 25 hundredths, and we want to know if it's less than or equal to 25 hundredths. We can see that this 25 hundredths is equivalent to the fraction 1/4, and the square root of 25 hundredths is equivalent to the square root of 1/4. Therefore, we're looking for two numbers that, when multiplied together, give us 1/4. We will see that that has to be 1/2 times 1/2. Therefore, the square root of 1/4 is equal to 1/2. Another way to look at this problem is to use our properties of square roots. The square root of 1/4 is the square root of 1 over the square root of 4. Square root of 1 is again 1, and the square root of 4 is 2. Therefore, this verifies that the square root of 1/4 is a half, and we will see that a half is not less than or equal to 25 hundredths, or 1/4. Therefore, x is equal to 25 hundredths is a counterexample to the above statement.